In the heart of Egyptian desert stands an architectural marvel that has puzzled and captivated humanity for millennia. Behold, before us stands the esteemed Pyramid of Giza, a towering testament to the architectural competence of the ancient Egypt. Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Built over 4,500 years ago, this majestic structure is a testament to the creativity and skill of ancient Egyptian civilization. But what secrets lie within its imposing walls? What mysteries does it hold? The Pyramid of Giza is a marvel of engineering constructed with precision and astronomical alignment. Let's journey back to the ancient Egypt, a time when the Great Pyramid of Giza was just a grand idea. Built during the rule of Pharaoh Khufu, around 4,500 years ago, it took nearly 2 decades to complete. Imagine the sheer effort. Thousands of the workers, day after day, hauling massive stones and carefully placing them in perfect alignment. As the pyramid grew taller, it became a symbol of ancient Egyptians' incredible skills in engineering and construction. Each stone was cut with precision, fitting together with a giant puzzle. And as the sun rose and set over the desert, the pyramid stood as a testament to human ambition and perseverance. Today, the Great Pyramid still stands, a reminder of the originality to inspire us, inviting us to explore the wonders of the past and marvel at what ancient civilizations were capable of achieving. As the sun sets on Giza Plateau near Cairo, the Great Pyramid rises majestically, commanding attention as the largest of the 3 pyramids in the complex and one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Comprising an astonishing 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing between 2.5 and 15 tons, this monumental structure originally soared to a staggering height of 146.6 meters or 481 feet, holding the title of the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. Over centuries, explorers and archaeologists have delved into its depths, uncovering treasures and artifacts that shed light on the ancient Egyptian culture. And yet, despite these discoveries, many questions remain unanswered. Like, how were the massive stone blocks transported and assembled with such precision? What role did mathematics and astronomy play in its construction? So the answer is, the purpose behind its construction remains a captivating mystery with historians and Egyptologists. They propose theories ranging from grand tomb of Pharaoh Khufu to embodying profound astronomical and geometric symbolism. And yes, it's the precision engineering that truly astounds. A near perfect alignment to the cardinal points of the compass and mathematical proportions approximating pi and the golden ratio. As we step into the heart of Great Pyramid, we find ourselves enveloped in the atmosphere of reverence and mystery. Here, within the king's chamber, The air is heavy with the weight of centuries past, and ancient stone walls seem to whisper the tales of forgotten kings and divine rituals. In the dim light, our eyes are drawn to granite tomb as the chamber's center, a solemn reminder of the pharaoh who once rested here. As we stand within its hollowed space, we can't help but feel the sense of terror and wonder, as if we are witnessing a glimpse of the divine. The silence is broken only by the echoes of our footsteps, a haunting reminder of the mysteries that lie buried beneath the sands of time. Within its hallowed chambers lie the king's chamber, the queen's chamber, and the grand gallery. It served as a tomb of the pharaoh Khufu, but its purpose goes beyond mere burial. The pyramid symbolizes the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. Originally adorned with the smooth, polished limestone casing stones, the Great Pyramid gleamed brilliantly in the sunlight, a testament to the ancient Egyptians' architectural finesse. Despite the loss of many casing stones over time, a few remnants still grace its base, a poignant reminder of its former splendor. As the sun sets on another day, the mystery of Pyramid of Giza endures, a timeless monument of ingenuity and ambition of humanity. And in conclusion, the Great Pyramid of Giza stands as an enduring testament to the triumphs of ancient Egypt, a marvel of engineering, a beacon of cultural heritage, and an eternal source of wonder and inspiration for generations to come. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of our world, delving into the mysteries that define our shared human experience. As we bring our exploration of the Great Pyramid of Giza to a close, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to you, our esteemed viewers, for joining us on this journey through the sands of time. Your support and enthusiasm fuel our passion for uncovering the mysteries of the ancient world. And if you have enjoyed this documentary and would like to continue discovering the wonders of the history and civilization, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. And by doing so, you will stay updated on future episodes and help us in our mission of the share the histories of the humanity's rich heritage. Thank you once again for your support, and until next time, may the wonders of the past continue to inspire and enlighten us all. That's all for now. It's Tomorrow News. Thank you.